Hello everyone. This is an introduction to a video of how I have created and still creating an NPC's behavior in a city, in my city, where they are roaming around, doing some stuff. So my goal is to make city alive, and I need, before we start, I have to mention a few things. First of all, is that it's not a traditional step-by-step tutorial. I'm not going to present a perfectly prepared solution from start to end. Instead, this is going to be more of a workflow demonstration. I will be building things, describe what I'm doing, why, and I will make mistakes. Some things might take much longer than expected, and you will see a real process. Second thing I have to mention is that this system is a complex system. It's a complex topic. Um, it's not something that can be explained in a single video or 3 videos, 5 videos. Uh, you will have to have a lot of patience and persistence to follow through the entire process. And the main goal is to explain how the system works conceptually and technically. We will be using Mass AI, an experimental plugin in Unreal, navigation mesh, mass agents, smart objects, so everything, state trees, everything related to AI. And there will also be a little bit of C++ because Mass AI designed for C++, and it's hard to use it in blueprints, so we'll have to uh, make a bridge to make it usable in blueprints, but it will not require a lot of time and any knowledge. Um, so, however, there are some things that I will not be covering in details. I will not uh, tell you which animations to select or how to create them. Also, nothing about level design. It is not related. Also, I will not uh, share a source code of a project because this system is a part of my own project that is larger. This is just one system that I'm currently working on, and it is still in active development. Um, at the time of recording this introduction, system is not finished, as I mentioned. I'm still improving it. I'm fixing bugs and adding new features. So through the series, you might see things change, and I may release additional videos where I revisit or improve parts of the system. The goal of this series is to share ideas, the architecture, and the approach behind building this kind of NPC system. So if you're interested in how something like this can be designed and implemented, I will show you. But keep in mind that Mass AI is an experimental plugin, so as a state tree, and things may change um, with time. I will be using Unreal Engine 5.7, and that's all for an introduction. Thanks for watching it.